I 18 straight year. No government can't bring no real change in the country with one term. And the reality that. So, with 18 straight year of PNP unbroken governance, Mr. Hughes. In the 18 year of unbroken governance, my general, here we go on. The greatest financial meltdown in the country's history, while the Caribbean and the rest of Latin America were experiencing financial boom. Jamaica was dealing with FINSAC. Jamaica became the murder capital of the world during the 1990s. That was the period of PNP dominance, Mr. Hughes. Infrastructurally, Jamaica never advanced during the 90s. Project Jamaica is not a PNP thing or a JLP thing. It's our thing. And we have to face reality. Them people are there for 9 years and them deal with the 100-year pandemic, father. 100-year pandemic. COVID-19 shut down the economy and the country for about 2.5 years. No public sector worker not get laid off. Them not get no pay cut during COVID. The government reduced the debt to GDP from 120% to 60%. Crime rate is now 42%, 25-year low. Then why should Jamaica turn them back on a government who in 2 terms have faced a 100-year pandemic when no other government never have to deal with?